What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders? Got another one in to see the Ryker Doctor. Gonna do some work. And shout out to RLS Exhaust. So you need an exhaust for your Ryker. RLS is where to go. Discount code is below. Let's start this hookup. All right, so we got that Kaos from RLS. Shout out to my man Ricky over at RLS. Definitely use that discount code. Let's see what we got here. Woo boy. That's it right there. Gonna replace this joint right here. Perfect. All right, so what we're gonna replace is this exhaust with the Twin Kaos. I have a few videos out on how to change the exhaust, so we're just gonna get right to it and see how it sounds.
Man from the garage, man, I don't want to hear that.
Silber Turbos, Twin Kaos RLS. RLS is lightweight, powder coated, good welds, comes with the baffle. Here's your Silber Turbos. Now let's put in the Twin Kaos, see how that sounds. All right, so just to let y'all know, RLS now comes with the nut already welded to the bracket for the muffler, so you don't have to use two tools to put it in. You just have to line up the screw and it'll just tap itself in. As you can see, it's tightening without the use of the second nut. So shout out to RLS, making this a lot more easier to work and change. I'm gonna tighten it up, start her up. Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm feeling that. Yeah.
I got enough.
Yeah, that sound right.
Yeah. How many miles you got on it?
About 1,000, 1,300, 1,200.
Good.
You notice something?
I was just, the brake is a little squishy when I was stepping on it.
Like the pads need to be changed?
Oh no, 1,000 miles, I doubt it. But you got, looks like you got fluid in there. I checked it the last time, right?
I'm not sure.
Brakes don't look bad at all.
You want to try it again?
A lot of meat on the pads. I mean, it could be just me being from a 600 to a 900.
Right.
But well, no, it's probably just the way it feels.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have no problem stopping.
Right.
It's probably just the
You
way.
just feel like you had to press more?
Yeah,
Press
it's
harder?
probably the power.
Yeah.
I'm not used to it. All right, real quick, I'm gonna let you listen to the Silber Turbo exhaust, and you tell me how you like that sound compared to the RLS. I'm sticking with the RLS. I have the carbon, I have the twin kit, and now I have heard the Twin Kaos RLS. Discount code below. Ride safe, everybody.
Yeah, I like the muffler, baby.
It's fire. Shout out to RLS with the discount code.
Right. It fits the bike. The other one was like I was coming through the Harley this big.
Came in to see the Ryker Doctor. Walked out with that RLS Twin Kaos. Switched it up for that Silber Turbo. Sounded beautiful. Shout out to all my Ryker riders out there. See you in the next one.